as student at the Ateneo de Zamboanga, I usually paint my notebook cover with the 3-letter word KRK. That stands for Korokan. From this 3-letter word, I have come up of giving another meaning to every letter. So how it is? It just popped out from my mind. The name Knights, Right Keepers. And it takes a little longer for me to comprehend until it was formed on that fateful night. Now, the KRK, Knights of the Right Keepers, was formed with the help of our late chairman, Brother Victor Flores, and our brother Muhammad Nujaina, the first founder. Kappa Rho Kappa fraternity and sorority was born. I wrote and drafted the Constitution and bylaws, and was seconded by the members and officers present during that time. From that day on, the unstoppable comings of ladies and applicants are so amazing. Almost every day, an initiation procedure were conducted. Students, professionals, military, and police, and even out-of-school youth came and joined our fraternity. Kaya mayroon tayong tinatawag na 5 levels of KRK. What are the 5 levels of KRK? Mayroon tayong professionals, mayroon tayong businessman, mayroon tayong students, mayroon tayo out-of-school youth, and military police. That is the 5 levels of KRK. So, our fraternity membership built its limit. Initiation ceremonies is almost uncontrollable, and the rapture of a new fraternity erupted. Kappa Rho Kappa, Knights of the Right Keepers. KRK was alive. Long live the KRK. Today, our fraternity and sorority have become a living legend. Almost everywhere you go, every place you go, there is always a KRKian you can find behind it. So we shall stand to our commitment. Our mission is to connect people of different level of nationality, Japanese, into one neutral, brotherly understanding and respect, whatever color, creed, and belief, and even religion, yes. To unite for peace, to relate one another as brothers and sisters. Our visions, with dreams of a nation, waves of people that interconnect each other, the meaning of friendship through the bond of brotherhoodship, like musicians that can immediately tune into a song and sing together for peace and unity. So, Knights of the Right Keepers, soldier of justice, peace, and security. Our task is to promote the spirit of brotherhood, peace, and unity. We are pro-people of any identity, a conglomeration of leaders that works together in harmony with communities' common cause. So, from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank each and every one of you who are present here. This occasion will not be possible without you. With this, I would like to end my message by leaving you a song.
Alright, so next we have the business song. No? I think this is for the time of Brother Inting Murakami and Brother Inang Isan.
Kasi may mga clarification. Itong clarification lang, kasi nakalagay dito, founding year, no? Alam naman natin lahat, ang founding year is, ang founding year natin? 1970. Yung 1970. So, spread out ninyo ang correct information. Ngayon, application, parang announcement nito eh. Mayroon tayong bagong application form sa Sis Palu. Lahat ng mga forms na application form ng DRC, wala na yun. Ang purpose natin para ma-account natin lahat tayo. Yung karamihan sa atin na form ng KRD, nag-organize without authority. So mayroon tayo memorandum na dito kay Sis Palu, paki-distribute naman sa kanila. Okay. Pati yung ID, wala na tayong local ID. Lahat ng ID cancelled na. Mayroon na tayo souvenir computerized ID. So, mag-coordinate kayo kay Sis Palu. Sis Palu pala yung coordinator natin dito sa Tanggal area. So, yun lang. Okay na. Kung may mga questions kayo, ang question nyo hindi ko ma-entertain ngayon. Ang gawin ninyo sa mga question nyo, i-black and white ninyo lang. Gawin nyo sa black and white, and we will promise to answer all your questions. Okay? Kaya isabit nyo kay Sis Palu. Thank you very much. Ayun lang.
Hello, good afternoon. Kung sino yung gustong kumuha ng ID, yung payments, kasi may naririnig kami na pangwarta lang daw. So, i-explain ko sa inyo kung bakit yung 300 pesos. Isipin nyo naman yung maghulog ng ABC papunta sa Wangga, magkano. Iba pa masahe pa, pag gutumin, wala pang snacks. Pag galing na sa Wangga, ibalik na naman yan dito. Magkano na naman ang bayad? Kung tutuusin, kulang pa. Diba? Sana huwag naman kayo magsabi na pangwarta lang. Ha? Kasi hindi naman pangwarta kung tutuusin, kulang pa eh. Asa Rabi? Ayan, mo rin atong international ID. Yes,
International ID was signed by Muhammad Nur Jainal and our very own Brother Wilson Concepcion. Yes. Okay, so we'd like to request each chapter president, representative, any representative of each chapter. Merong memorandum, yes. Okay. So there is a memorandum order dated August 18, 2009. So I think Brad Inting Murakami will explain to that regarding the memorandum. So any representative from the different chapter, no? Alright, so regarding I think there was an idea from siguro sa kay founder.